How to use Instagram story question sticker. So, if you want for other people to ask you some questions and you will answer them and have like this cute interaction with your followers, for that you can use question sticker. So, let me show you where to find it and how to use. Firstly, open up the app and now swipe right on your home screen to access story. Here you can swipe up to open your gallery and choose photo you want to use for your story, or if you want like colorful background, you can tap create, then tap the camera shutter button, and on the top you can change the color by tapping this colorful icon in a circle, just like that, and just tap whenever you liked the color. Now you need to find this sticker icon on the top, which is presented by this smiley face, and tap on it. And you will see option questions down below. So tap on that. And as you can see, we can make this ask me a question tab, or instead of this text, you can write down your text. Just tap on the icon and write down something. For example, what tech tutorials you wanna see next. Now let's also use emoji. Tap on the screen and also you can change color for this sticker. Just tap on the sticker and then tap on the rainbow icon above and continue tapping to find the right option for you. Let's use this one. Of course, you can resize it and drag anywhere on the screen, but do not put it too far from the screen to the right side or to the left because other people can accidentally go to the next story instead of answering your question. So just put it, for example, in the middle. And now to post it, just tap your story on the bottom. Once it is posted, your followers will be able to see this story and tap on the text field and answer your question. So I'm just gonna answer this question from my different Insta account. I'm gonna use just emojis to show you how this works. And now I'm gonna tap my story and swipe up. And here is the answer. So as you can see, you can tap a response to share it to your story as well, or if you want to answer privately, then you can use the option message this person. And also you can delete this response. So for example, I want to share it. I'm going to tap on it and just write down the answer like you would normally do and then post it to your story. And of course, if another person posted this type of content, you can also click on the text field to answer your friend, or you can also tap on this little camera icon to answer with the help of photo, like that. And that's it. Subscribe for more tech tips.